In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply graphics to your 3D models in Adobe Dimension, giving them a unique and personalized touch. Whether you're aiming to add logos, decals, or any other visuals to elevate your design, this step-by-step guide will take you through the process seamlessly. First, let's dive right into selecting your 3D model within Dimension. This choice sets the groundwork for everything else we'll do, so make sure you have your desired model ready and loaded. Once you've got your model in sight, it's time to bring in your first graphic. To do this, you have a couple of options. You can either head to your assets or use the File menu, choosing the option to import under Place Image on Model. This action allows you to pick out the graphic you want to apply, such as your logo or a specific decal. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can drag and drop your selected image directly onto the model. The clever thing about Dimension is it creates this as a distinct image layer, giving you the flexibility to manipulate it without affecting the rest of your design. Once placed, you have choices to make in the Properties panel. Decide if you want your graphic to function as a decal, which applies it like a floating sticker, or as a fill, which covers the area based on the model's UV mapping. This choice largely depends on the effect you want to achieve, so take a moment to visualize how you want your finished model to look. Once that's set, use the on-screen gizmo to adjust your decal's size, orientation, and position. This tool is your friend. It allows you to see how the graphic interacts with your model in real time, ensuring that everything aligns just the way you envision it. Ready for another graphic? Simply select your model or the particular material you're working with, and repeat the import process just like before. Adding another image layer is as easy as dragging and dropping, and each layer acts independently. This independence is key, as it provides the freedom to scale, move, and rotate each decal without altering others, giving you artistic control over the entire appearance. As your project grows more detailed, managing these layers becomes important. Head back to the Properties panel, where you'll find options to tweak each layer's opacity, roughness, or metallic values. This allows for subtle adjustments, helping you achieve the precise look you're after. If your model includes multiple surfaces, perhaps with various materials, you'll want to apply your decals to each surface individually. This way, every aspect of your model shines with consistency and intentional design. Finally, do a comprehensive check by orbiting around your model. Examining it from all angles ensures the decals are perfectly placed, not distorted or awkwardly floating. This final step guarantees that your model is polished and ready to impress. And there you have it. With these detailed steps, you're now ready to enhance your 3D models with custom graphics in Adobe Dimension.